In this video, I will be reviewing 2 hard drives that I use for video editing. Let's start off with the Sandisk. Bam! The BAM disk. Look at that. It's so small. It's beautiful. It's compact. It's fast. It's 500 gigabytes, solid state drive. Yeah, I mean, I guess it gets 550 megabytes per second. I don't even really know what that means. It's all a little too technical for me. But I use the Sony a7 III camera. I edit on Final Cut Pro and Premiere, 4K footage. So I wanted to get the fastest, or a very fast hard drive. So I bought this, okay? Like I said, I have no problems with it. It's fast, it connects, it always shows up. It comes with this little adapter if you have a new Mac. This connector, I think that's called the lightning bolt, or the old-fashioned. Yeah, it's great. It's so portable, it's so durable, it feels sturdy. Fits in your pocket. Look how small that is, 500 gigabytes. It's amazing. Yeah, pops out, pops in. Okay, no problems. I, in fact, like this so much that I bought one for my girlfriend for Christmas. So sweet of me. Or was it for her birthday? I think it was her birthday. Yeah, so that was great. However, and it costs $90 right now on Amazon. There's a link below. It is an affiliate link. So, you know, if you want to support the channel, go ahead. So it's great. There's no problems with it. 100%. 100%. I love it. But it's 500 gigabytes. And to get the like 2 terabyte one, I believe is $250 or something like that. So I wanted to get a backup hard drive because 500 gigabytes doesn't go a long way editing 4K footage. So what I did was I shopped around and I bought the Toshiba 4 terabyte USB 3.0. Okay, bam. It also looks slick and smooth. It's small, although much bigger than this little guy, you know. But both will fit into your pocket. This one will fit into your little pocket. This one will fit into your back pocket or your front pocket. Again, though, so I bought this just as the backup. I was planning on using the Sandisk for all my current projects, and when I'm finished, I would throw them onto here because I figured that this one would be noticeably faster. Not my experience, though. I have 0 problems with this one. I'm editing 4K footage all day. I don't notice a difference between using this or this. And if there is a difference, it's negligible. You know what I mean? Now, so this costs $100 for 4 terabytes. This costs $90 for 500 gigabytes, a half a terabyte. This is almost the same price. It has 8 times the storage, and I don't see any difference in editing. That's a big difference. So I have now, I use this, now I only use this one because I like having all my footage on here. I got a lot of projects on here. And I actually bought another one of these for my backup drive. All right, so for $200, I have 8 terabytes of storage that I can edit 4K footage on. So that's my review. I still use this when I go to meet with a client at like a cafe or something, because this does feel like it's sturdy. I could drop it and it's fine. This guy, if I drop, trouble ahead. You know what I mean? But yeah. So great job, both companies. You know what I mean? Really great job. Sandisk and Toshiba. I like the design of both. They're both slick, smooth. They work. They always connect. I've had no problems, and I've been using these for the past about 5 or 6 months. A lot. So that's my review. I do have links below to Amazon if you'd like to purchase any of them. And that's what's up. So thanks for checking it out. Micah Tech Reviews. Talk to you later. 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%.